Nestled in the heart of the Mekong Delta, the Xeo Quyt Relic site in Đồng Tháp province intertwines history with nature in a way that captivates every visitor. Spanning 50 hectares, with 20 hectares of pristine cajuput forest, Xeo Quyt served as a crucial revolutionary base during the Vietnam War from 1960 to 1975. Today, it stands not only as a symbol of Vietnam's wartime resilience, but also as a sanctuary for diverse flora and fauna. With around 170 plant species and a bustling wildlife community featuring over 200 animal species, Xeo Quyt's ecosystem is a hallmark of the Mekong Delta's richness. The cajuput forest ecosystem is notably vibrant, home to 7 frog species, 22 reptile species, 73 fish species, 91 bird species, and 7 mammal species. Experience the place through 2 enchanting journeys. Glide on traditional sampans along duckweed-covered creeks for a serene exploration of its waterways. Or tread the 1.5-kilometer walking path that winds through the forest, unveiling the historical and natural gems Xeo Quyt holds. Xeo Quyt is more than a relic. It's an immersive journey into Vietnam's past and the serene depth of its natural beauty. A visit here is indeed a unique passage back in time, where history and nature coalesce. Come, step into the enchanting world of Xeo Quyt, a place where the echoes of history harmonize with the whispers of the wild.